Is your Mercedes alarm randomly activating while driving? This is a common issue, often stemming from a few key causes. The most frequent culprit is a low or unstable 12-volt battery. Mercedes alarm systems are very sensitive to voltage fluctuations. A failing battery or alternator can trigger the alarm's fail-safe mode. Other potential issues include faulty sensors, especially those in the doors, trunk, or hood. These sensors can corrode or become overly sensitive, sending false intrusion signals. Finally, software glitches can sometimes cause erroneous alarm activations. We'll cover how to address each of these problems. Let's get your Mercedes alarm working properly again. First, test your 12-volt battery. It should read between 12.6 and 12.8 volts when the car is off. If it's lower, consider replacing the battery or checking your alternator. Next, inspect the door, trunk, and hood sensors for corrosion or damage. Clean any corrosion with a wire brush and apply dielectric grease. If a sensor is faulty, you may need to replace it. Finally, try resetting the alarm system. In newer models, this can often be done through the vehicle's infotainment system under Vehicle Settings. For older models, disconnecting the battery for a few minutes may do the trick. If these steps don't work, a dealer or mechanic can perform a full ECU reset using specialized software.